Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up and use the WooCommerce REST API for free. First, you need to generate API keys. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce, Settings Advanced and click the REST API tab. Click Add Key. Give your key a description like Mobile App Access. For the user, select an administrator or shop manager account. Under Permissions, choose Read/Write to allow full access. Click Generate API Key. WooCommerce will now display your consumer key and consumer secret. Copy these immediately and store them securely. You won't see the secret again. Now, you can test the API. You'll need a tool like Postman or Insomnia. Create a new GET request. Use this URL structure, yoursite.com/wjson/v3/products. This asks for both for routes. Click the Authorization tab. Select Basic Auth. Pass your consumer key as the username and your consumer secret as the password. Click Send First to presently all your products in the store. This confirms your API connection is where you've generated secure API keys and use them to make a basic request to retrieve your store's product data. If this opened up integration possibilities for your store, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.